yesterday's test at the after the border check post, the test which came out positive, and then finally in Goa Medical College, they were again the swabs were again tested and which has come out positive. It's a matter of concern that the borders where the people are coming in through orders of the collectors of that state and our state has to be thoroughly checked, and we should not give at this stage any non-Goan who wants to come over here for any business activity or any other activity. We should not give them. I spoke to Honorable Chief Minister last night at 12:30 and I requested him that the trains coming to Goa, which was scheduled to be starting from tomorrow, should be stopped. He immediately phoned Piyush Goyal ji and have informed him, and I think whatever needs to be done, how we can stop these trains coming into Goa, we need to stop. Secondly, Goans who are stranded outside Goa should be brought back. Those Goans who are original Goans, who have their Aadhaar card, who have their house tax receipts, who have their voting cards, who have their identity cards only of Goa, all the identity cards of Goa, who are should be brought back. Students who are stranded in other states should be brought back. For that, we need to send some buses for them, or they can make some bus arrangements and come to Goa. For them, we should accept those people. I think this is the time where cases are rising they are just jumping up. The numbers are jumping up all over India. This is the time where the virus is at its peak, and we need to take care. And whatever needs to be done have to be done by the government, and people also need to cooperate. There were some issues in Kalangut. We have told that hotel, do not do any quarantine facilities over here for those people who are coming from outside the state who are non-Goans. So we have requested some hotels who wanted to give their hotels for quarantine. We can only give them if some Goan is coming from outside. Now, a charter flight is supposed to come from other country, carrying all Goan seafarers and others who are stranded in that country. So for them, we can give quarantine facilities. There are so many hotels in South Goa, North Goa, in Panjim and other areas, and even in our area, we can help our Goans for quarantine facilities. Today, with the delegation of hotel owners, restaurant owners, economic revival, economic activity in the state needs to start in different ways. काल उलयला हांव तेजेर. बारीक जे आमची रेस्टॉरंट आहा, कोण बारीकशे कितें विकता पूण घरा लागीं ते रेस्टॉरंटान करून आमचे लोकल लोक तांकां हें चालू करपाक दिवचें म्हणून. सेकंडली, जी रेट्स गव्हर्मेंटान प्रपोज केल्या आनी ऑफिशियल गॅझेटाचेरूय येयल्ली आहा, पर स्क्वेअर मिटराचेर जे चार्ज करपाचें आहा फॉर एक्सायज ड्युटी, ती आमी सांगल्या. लुकींग एट दीस सिट्युएशन इन गोवा, द COVID-19, that is this virus spreading in Goa, टुरिस्ट कमी जातले, सगळे वाटेन त्रास जातले आमच्या लोकल बिजनसमॅनांक. चडशी बार्रां आमच्या लोकलांची. सो तांकां खंय तरी रिलीफ दिवपाक हो वाड जो जाला, म्हणजे जी रेट वाडयल्या ती आमी ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टराक काल बसून हांवें सांगलेलें आहा आफ्टर द कॅबिनेट मिटींग की ही तशीच दवरची म्हणून, वाडोवची न्हू. सो ते रिवर्स बॅक द गॅझेट, जी नोटिफिकेशन जे येयला ताका रिवर्स करचें म्हणून आमी मागलेले आहा. आयज डेलिगेशन वचोन चीफ मिनिस्टराक मेवतले एट अरावंड 4:30. डिस्कशन आसतलें इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बील जे वाडोवपाक सोदता, वॉटर बील वाडोवपाक सोदता, तेजेरूय डिस्कशन आसतलें. हाव वी कॅन गीव मॅक्सिमम रिलीफ टू आवर गोवन्स, वी वील सी. ते डिस्कशन केल्या बगर कांयच जावचें ना. आयज हांव मानून घेता की सरकाराक त्रास भरपूर जाल्ले आहा एज फार एज मनी इज कन्सर्न. आमकां 900 to 1000 crore एवरी मंथ जाय सॅलरीज दिवपाक. तेजे भायर जी बाकीची बिलां आहा, तेजे भायर लोन रिपेमेंट. आदलो लोन जो 10 वर्सां पयलीं 15 वर्सां पयलीं लोन घेतलो तेजो रिपेमेंटाचो इन्स्टॉलमेंट, तेजो इंट्रस्ट, सगळे बाकीचे हे सगळे आहा. तितून दयानंद सोशल सेक्युरिटी स्कीम, जाणट्यांची स्कीम, आमचे महिलांची स्कीम गृह आधार, तेचे म्हयन्याचे म्हयने वचपाक जाय. हे पळोवन आनी GST कलेक्शन उणें जालां तें पळोवन गव्हर्मेंटान कांय स्टेप्स घेतलेले आसा. पूण हितून कॉमन मॅनाक त्रास जावचे न्हू म्हणून आमी आयज चीफ मिनिस्टरा कडेन डिस्कशनाक बसपाचे आहा आनी तेजेर योग्य डिसिजन जावचे इन द इंट्रस्ट ऑफ द गोवन्स अशें म्हाजें मागणें आसतलें. आनी म्हाज्या हिसपान ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर वील एग्री दॅट सर्वसामान्य मनीस आमचो लोकल गोंयकार जो आहा तेका बिलाक आदींच त्रास जातात भरपाक, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जावं, उदकाचें जावं. सो तेका आनीक बर्डन तेजेर घालचो न्हू म्हणून तेचेरूय कितें तोडको कसो काडूंक जाता तें आमी पळोवया. इश्यूज आहा आमच्या लोकलाक, हाव दे कॅन स्टार्ट देयर बिजनसीस बॅक. हिंगा इतलेंच हें आहा की ट्युरिस्ट ना, सो जे भाशेन बिजनस जाताले तशें जावचें ना. बट एटलीस्ट इन अ स्मॉलर वे, मेंटेनींग सोशल डिस्टन्स. कोणाची 20 टेबल आहा जाल्यार तेणें 10 काडची आनी 10च दवरची आनी आपलो धंदो चालू करचो. कसो चालू करचो, कितें वेज एंड मिन्स, फॉलोईंग प्रॉपर प्रोटोकॉल ऑफ द हेल्थ, हें म्हाका दिसता आमी करपाची आयज गरज आहा आनी आमच्या गोंयकाराक सपोर्ट करपाची गरज आहा.